Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make effective flashcards. The core principle is active recall, which means retrieving information from memory rather than just rereading it. This process strengthens neural pathways, making it easier to remember facts long-term. Combine this with spaced repetition, reviewing material at increasing intervals, to optimize your learning and retention over time. When creating your flashcards, focus on one distinct concept per card to avoid confusion. On the front, pose a clear question or prompt, and on the back, provide the concise answer. Incorporating relevant images or diagrams can significantly boost memory. Remember to keep your text brief, ideally under 25 words, for quick and efficient review. For effective flashcards, consider both physical and digital options. Handwritten cards can deepen processing, while digital tools offer flexibility and tracking. Try color-coding cards by subject or topic to enhance organization and visual distinction. Maintaining a consistent format across all your cards ensures clarity and ease of use during study sessions. To maximize your study sessions, review cards frequently using a spaced repetition system. Always shuffle your cards to prevent memorizing the order, which can give a false sense of mastery. Actively test yourself by trying to recall the answer before flipping the card. Separate cards you've mastered from those you need more practice with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.